So in week 6, if we look this over, we were supposed to go over the rough drafts, which I did create a video for that. Please watch that. I put that in the announcements area of the class. Just keep working on your magazine spread project. This magazine spread project is supposed to be due by the 11th, by 8 a.m., which is next week. We might have to give you an extension on that. I'll let you know on Monday. I'm guessing we're going to have to do an extension. Also, I'm giving out demo topics today. Everything's been delayed because I've been sick. But basically, you'll research your demo topic using an InDesign Classroom and a book, which is down below as a PDF file. Your demo should be about 15 to 20 minutes, not over 25. We'll start demoing next Tuesday. Oh, no, Tuesday, October 18th, which is a ways away, actually. That's in week 8. So you have a couple weeks to get ready for that. Next week, we're not going to have class on Thursday because of Techno Expo or Showcase. I'm going to be participating in that. Obviously, make sure you practice at home before attempting your demo in front of your peers. So I'm going to turn this on. This is the demo topics and due dates. So we were supposed to spend time in class looking at your demo topics. We can still do that at our next class. We need to explore the InDesign Classroom in a book text. It'll be provided to you as a PDF document. You'll need access to the demo files, unless you want to make your own files. They'll be in Brightspace Week 6 for you to download. They're labeled lessons. Also, let me know if you think there'll be any issues with your demo. Issues that may arise are that your demo might be too short or too long. Like I said, they should be no longer than 25 minutes and should be at least 15 to 20 minutes in a perfect world. Obviously, not all of you will have exactly the same length of demo, but I did try my best to make it equal amounts of work. So Barry, yours is applying master pages to document pages, changing page sizes, adding page sections, page numbering. So yeah, and then these are Tana's and the page numbers. You're going to go after Barry on October 18th. So Barry's going to go on October 18th at 8 a.m. He's going to be the first one. Tana will be next. Marshall will be after Tana, same day, Tuesday, October 18th. These are your topics. It's all within the same chapter or lesson. Caitlin, you'll go October 20th, which is Thursday, and then Ethan will go after you. These are other topics that we could possibly do as well, but mostly I think we need to stick with what we have here. So read this over, check it out, check out what pages your stuff is on. And then you can download InDesign Classroom in a book. So if we download this, it will come as a PDF. You'll want to download these lessons too. These are the lessons files or the demo files from the book. And those are you're probably going to need those for your demo unless you want to make your own demo files. Now this is the first time I've ever tried doing this. I thought this might be a little more interesting than making you guys do the demos. Is actually, making them do them on your own like I have in the past. So one good place to look is the contents. And so like let's say you're Barry and you're in here and you're looking at what your topics are. Barry is on page 72, 74, 75, 78. So if we go to page, here we go. So applying master pages to document pages. Changing size of pages within one InDesign document. Okay, so you can actually, go into, what did I just do? The contents area and find out, oh, okay, this is lesson 3. So I need to go into the lesson files which are still downloading. But I need to go into lesson 3 files and pull those up and then walk through. So if I want to go to page 72, I can put that up. I think I can put that up here. Go to page 72. And here we go, applying master pages to document pages. Now we can read through this and see how this works and figure out a way to demo this to the class. Now, if you end up going through your demo, changing sizes, page sizes within the same document, page 74. This tells you how to do that right here. If you go through here and you're touching on all these topics and you figure out how exactly you're going to show your classmates how to do this, have them walk through with you with the lesson file for lesson number 3 in Barry's case. You need to look and see if this is going to be too long, because it needs to be under 25 minutes. So if it's going to go too long, then we're going to have to simplify your lessons, your demo a little bit. So this is going to take some research. It's going to take you some time. It's not going to be super easy. You're going to have to go through your lesson. In Barry's case, it's lesson 3. And Tana, and I don't know why I didn't write that on here. On Tana's, so she's on page, let's see here. So she's 193 through 202, so let's keep going here. So she's in here. She's in lesson 7. I didn't want her to go over all of this. I just wanted her to go over some of lesson 7. Just the most important things out of lesson 7. So yeah, read through your lesson, download the lesson files. It's taking a long time for it to download. But then go through, open those lesson files up, and figure out a demo that you can show us how to do the things on the list here. And that's basically the gist of it. Let me know if you have any questions. We'll go over this a little bit in class. We'll work it out. It's the first time I've done this, like I said, so there might be a few issues with it, but we'll get through it, and you guys will come up with some decent demos. Okay, talk to you guys later.